Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to go over creating fillets in 3D space. I'm using figure 654 here as the example. I'm going to create this as if these radius of 1.62 fillets did not exist. Now obviously you can create fillets in sketches. I'm going to show you to do it in 3D space. I'm going to sketch this from the right view, radius of 1.5 and 1.25. So what I'm going to need, so right view, sketch, and to bring forward so it's normal to, and that didn't grab, there you go, and then P to hide the plane. I'm going to draw in two circles here, okay, because it's a radius of 1.25 and it's going to default the diameter here. I'm just going to do 1.25 times by 2, and then here it's 1.5 times by 2. Okay, we'll get that. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to bring this down from this point here. We'll create a line all the way down so that it is the full distance. It's 1 inch. Here to here is 1 inch, and then we come down another 1.62. So that means from this point here to the very bottom is 1 plus 1.62, so 2.62. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to come to, what I'll do is I'm going to draw this line here just so I have it, and then I'm going to come down to a distance here. I'll do the same thing on the other side. Oh, not in line. I'll trim it up later. So I'm just drawing these lines in here to kind of guide me. Okay, I'm going to say that this line here is 2.62. Wasn't that the value? I forget. Yep, 2.62. Okay, I'm going to say that this and this are equal. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing here from this point. Okay. And what I'll do is put another one here on this other side. Okay, I'm going to trim this all up. Okay, and I'm just going to delete these lines because I'm not going to need them. And then what I'm going to do to make sure that what I should have done is made these construction. Set this to construction. Set this to construction. There we go. A little bit better. Now we're fully dimensioned here. In conjunction, so I can also mirror things over. So I could create this mirrored over, but we'll do that in a different video. So this is set up. I'm going to go ahead and finish this. And I'm going to extrude sketch 1. I'll bring this in isometric so you can see what's going on. Okay, I'm going to send it that way. The entire distance is 3.125 plus the radius times by 2. So what we're going to do here is I'm just going to do 3.25, right? Yep. So 3.25 plus 1.62 plus 1.62. Just typing it all out in that calculator, and then it's going to add it all the way up. And then check. There we go. I'll bring this to isometric again so you can see. Okay. And now we're going to fillet this. So I'm going to use the fillet tool here. Okay. The radius of this fillet is 1.62. Okay. So I'm going to type here 1.62. Okay, and then I'm going to just select that edge there, and that edge. Hold the wheel down to spin, select that edge, and select that edge. And there we go. We're all set. And the figure is done.